You're looking here at this mechanical keyboard. Some really nice feels and touch to it. Feels very much like a regular keyboard would. You have color light schemes that can change by pulling this knob in. I think that's really cool. You have the intensity of the light right here with this. Turn it off, you can turn it on. Over here you have your volume control for your speakers. You can see that the keys are definitely uplifted. They also include this nice pad here as well. Perfectly fits the length of this. I'm glad for that. Now, one of the things I don't like about it is I was hoping that the keys themselves, the letters, would light up. You can see when it's off, it's much harder to see what they are. The nice thing is, though, this does work with a cable, and they give you a braided cable, which is nice. You can go USB with it, and you have your two switches on the back here, which are nice, kind of heavy-duty switches as well. And there you can see your knobs here. It definitely has a good feel, and I would definitely be using it here, even at my desk. But at night, I'm usually in low light situations, and the lights underneath here, even though they look cool, just are not feasible for typing at night. I just kind of turn that light off and give you an idea of it's much more difficult to see. Even if I change my color scheme in a low light scenario, even with bright, it almost can see a little bit better with it off. But you can see too that they're not like the whole length of the key, they're just small. So a little bit hard for me to see in my lighting conditions that I like to do things. So I really like it, but I probably use it more for laptops, those things on the go in bright daylight, other than in my office area.